Hi there, my name's Ed from the UK Language Project. We provide bespoke language training to companies up and down the UK and internationally via online. So here's how the process all works. First of all, take a look around our site. There's a lot of great content on there, some case studies of the companies that we've worked with. We've worked with companies large and small. We've trained entire workforces practically in a language, in several languages. We've also trained everybody from several workforces to just individual people who need training in one language, and we provide it for multiple languages. Have a look at some of the case studies, some of the testimonials from our clients, and have a look at some of the trainers, some of the calibre of the kind of trainer we'll be sending you. Most of our trainers have several years, if not decades, of experience, not only in industry, but also teaching languages, so you'll be in good hands. Once you're ready and you think it would be the appropriate supplier, then make contact. One of our lovely language team will be in touch to speak to you. We'll arrange for, first of all, a discovery call. We call this the who, what, why, where, when of language training. So who needs training? What languages do they need training? Or is it just one person or several people? Is there one language or several languages? Why? So this gives you the opportunity to discuss a little bit of the background to perhaps how this language training need has arisen and how we can possibly help. And then the where and the when, of course, is the more logistical nuts and bolts of the lessons. Where are they going to take place? They can be offline, online, on company premises. They can even be at the employees' homes after hours, perhaps, or if they work from home, they can be at the employees' homes as well. But we like to be very, very flexible. We can also do a mix and match of online versus offline. Not a problem at all. All our teachers and trainers are well versed in all the online technology, so we'll work with you on that one. Once we've been through the general logistics of this discovery call, we'll wait for authorization from your end, and once authorization's coming forth from your end, we'll look for a trainer in our network to deliver the training, or several trainers perhaps, if several trainers are required. Setup depends on where and when the lessons are and things, but we can usually get lessons set up within a week or so. So no real hanging around. If it's online, sometimes it can even be quicker than that. Depends on a lot of factors. So once we've got the trainers assigned, we'll get things confirmed our end, we'll get things confirmed your end, and the lessons will begin. So first lesson is usually all about making sure we get to know the delegates and any specific requirements, and also we'll get into quite a lot of content during the first lesson as well, so kind of hit the ground running. Obviously there will be any further tweaks required to the course can be discussed during lessons and things like that, depending on what's needed. With one-to-one lessons, we can also contact the delegates beforehand to discuss their needs in more detail as well, in case there's any specific requirements. We'll check in with you and the delegates and also the teacher after the first lesson to make sure everything went well. If everything's gone fine, then of course we'll arrange for invoicing for the payment for a block of lessons in advance, usually a course block. There are other payment methods available, so we'll speak to the language team about that. We'll be happy to take you through the various options that there are. During the course, of course, we'll stay in contact, make sure everything's going fine. We'll be in touch regularly with the trainers. We'll provide you with any management information that's required as well, which is always very important. Once lessons start to come to an end, we'll decide whether any more lessons are required and further bookings are required. If lessons continue, which they often do, then it's just another invoicing for a block of lessons, and it just makes it really, really simple and really easy, and lessons can continue without a break, and your delegates can make the most progress possible without any possible interference. Okay, excellent. Any questions? Speak to our wonderful language team. They're always here to help, and hopefully we'll be able to see you learning soon with us, with one of our trainers. All right, thank you very much.